Today I would like to talk about needs assessment versus needs analysis. A lot of times you'll hear these terms used interchangeably when you're speaking with other professionals or reading in the literature. But are they the same thing? Let's take a few minutes and talk about this. A needs assessment is really a gap between where we are and where we would like to be. Whereas a needs analysis is an in-depth look at the root problems of this gap and determining if training is needed and will help solve the problem. What would this look like in a business context? A performance problem or a new opportunity starts with the needs assessment. The result of the needs assessment is to improve results through the implementation of non-training or training interventions, or sometimes both. According to Randy Metesky, the goal of the assessment helps a user to specify what gaps exist, the cost of filling them, and which ones require immediate attention. So, looking at performance productivity level of your employees, this is where we are, and this might be where we want to be. So a needs assessment would really look at this gap. A needs analysis, again, looking into productivity levels of our employees, is going to be an investigation into some of the root causes of the productivity levels of our employees. However, as we know, not all problems can be solved with training. In our needs assessment, we looked at the gap of a problem to determine where we are versus where we need to be. However, sometimes you might confuse this with the analysis part of the ADDIE model. When you're doing an audience gap analysis, instead of looking at where we want to be as a group, where we are now and where we would like to be, you're looking individually at your audience members. And what do they know? What are they confused about? What do they need to know? And how can you get them there? Any questions? Call, text, or email me anytime.